Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's April the 30th, 2022. Today's the last day of the month, so we're going to go ahead and look at Fantom on a monthly time frame to see what is the long-term trajectory as to where this price ultimately trying to go. I think you guys can see already in front of you what the market has already been doing, so it should not be a surprise as to what the monthly price chart is going to look like for Fantom. Now, before I break down this price prediction, before I break down my price target as to where I'm looking for the market to go in Fantom, now, if today's your first time seeing my video, you guys actually appreciate how someone is out here placing price predictions on the price chart without the confusion. Come on board, join me, so you can learn as much as possible so that you don't have to be dependent on me or any of these other YouTubers out here pumping these cryptocurrencies. I give you the real. I want you all to understand that this is not a game and that you can actually play along with the market. So hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to my channel, tap that bell notification as well, because this is a fluid market. Every day that the market is open and is trading, gives us more information as to what is the overall agenda of the market. So you'll have to come in and see what I think now as we get more and more information plotted on the price chart. So make sure you hit that bell notification as well, okay? So now, April the 9th was the last time I did a video on Fantom. You guys can see right now it's in front of you. And I was telling you all even then, beginning of this month, I was like, look, it looked like Fantom is going to continue to go down in price. And I predicted that. You guys can see that we would already been in play to profit in the market 20%. So from April the 9th to April the 25th, 20% right there. And I told you, I gave you a heads up. I was telling the people who view the video, hey, look for the price in Fantom to go down. And it did. And matter of fact, it went a lot lower, which is what I'm really going to talk about today on this video. If you were to get out the market now in Fantom, look at that. You're at 37, almost 37.5% profitability. Simple. Let's get rid of it because it's over. Now, obviously, I'm going to zoom out because I want you all to see how important this line is in the Fantom. We wanted to see the buyers come through in proper price on this line, just like it did here in September of 2021. We wanted to see the buyers do that again around 97, 98 cents. And as we go over to the right, look at that. So I'm zooming in. The buyers, they tried, but they really didn't show up. You guys can tell on these daily price bars that the market was still weak. The price closed off of the highs. There wasn't no buyers coming through. That's why the market in Fantom since April the 28th to today's date is down almost 18.75% in less than 2 days. That's the reason, because the buyers did not show up. That's how we're able to predict and forecast where prices are likely to go. It's just that simple. And seeing how the price did not hold at $1, seeing how the buyers did not show up, we understand that the overall environment in Fantom is still weakness. So this trend right here that started in January of this year of us seeing this price making lower price moves is still ongoing. It's not done. So we can actually understand and be comfortable in knowing what is the current environment in Fantom. It's weakness. We got the confirmation just a couple of days ago by the buyers not showing up around $1. So now the question is, we got to zoom out a little bit further because the buyers are there. The buyers are here. We just need to figure out what price. What price do they find buying Fantom attractive? Well, at what level? So we had to come back over here to this prior history to see, okay, what's really going on, because we may actually see a small opportunity to where the buyers may come in and try to lift up price in Fantom. But the first area now that I'm going to look forward to is going to be around here. Okay. So that is around 68 to 70 cents, give or take. That's the first area. Second area is going to be around 60. You guys can already tell basically as to where the market areas of support and restriction lies to where the people who are willing to buy and sell. These are very important parts as we continue to see the market in Fantom come down. We need to find a landing zone for the buyers. So I'm looking around 68, maybe 70 cents first, then down to 60. Okay. Those are the first two price targets already off the bat, because we know that this massive downtrend is still in play and we haven't found bottom yet. This is not the bottom yet. especially when I show you the long-term perspective, right? So let's look at Fantom on a weekly time frame. Look at this. This is massively bearish, right? Look at these 2 weekly price bars right there, starting here. Well, really starting all the way up here on this 2 weekly price bar. This is what is leading to the current price movement in Fantom today. It started on this 2 weekly price bar, January the 17th, 2022. And so many people are questioning, okay, why in the world is Fantom going down? Well, that's the reason. It's because the selling came into the market then. And we're still seeing the environment as one of selling. We haven't found an opportunity for the buyers to really come in and hold price. Look at it on the 3 weeks. Okay. Look at that. This is nothing but weakness. 5 weeks. Monthly time frame. So we got 9 hours and 46 minutes left. And this is what the monthly price bar looks like in Fantom. Like, this is massively bearish right there. Massively bearish. For the last 4 months, inclusive of this current April monthly price bar, look at what all the red bars look like. Like, we just continue to see the market in Fantom go down. Go down. So from a monthly perspective, I'm definitely bearish in the market in Fantom. The price chart doesn't lie to us. It's those individuals who try to interpret the price by placing technical indicators on their charts, or trying to look at articles, or trying to read what some other person is tweeting, that gets people lost. You cannot get lost when you pay attention to the price and price only. So yeah, am I still bearish into the market in Fantom? Best believe it, because the price is not lying to me. Now, I want to show you this too from the monthly perspective as to where we might also see buyers. I'm going to create the trend here in Fantom, and this is going to be all important. Okay, right here. We need to see the buyers really come into the market and prop up price on that trend. They got to. In order for us to really see the long-term trajectory of Fantom continue to go up in price, we need to see the market bounce off this line to continue to allow it to do that. If it doesn't hold this long-term trend that started in the month of January of last year, 2021, 2 years ago, almost 2 years ago, if they don't do that, then the market definitely is not a buy. It's not at all. So I'm giving you areas that we need to be focusing on, because it looks as if the market's going to try to hit these levels. It's going to be the first one, like I said, around 70 cents to 68 cents. The second one is 60. The third one's on this long-term trend, that ascending line. So now let me go ahead and switch this back over to the daily and give you all what I'm looking forward to. Okay. So now this is the trend that we're looking at into the market in Fantom. This is the ultimate bottom. We cannot see the market price in Fantom come through and break this trend. We cannot see that. Okay. So can we see the price come all the way down here to like 53, 55 cents? Yes, most definitely. Like, don't put that out the realm of possibility. That can definitely happen. Okay. So now let me show you what I'm looking at now, because we're going to play the weakness into the market in Fantom. We're going to continue to play the weakness until we see the buyers come through and take out $1. Okay. They need to come through and take out $1. If the price doesn't trade above $1, we understand that the weakness is still here. Don't get fooled. Don't be tricked. Even if we do see the price inch up higher towards this $1 area, but we get rejected and the price begin this descension again, we understand that we're still sitting good in our prediction. Okay. Now the first price target, like I told you, was around 70 cents. Okay. You want to be prepared to take some profitability off the table. Like, you call the market pretty good to see price hit that 70-cent level. So take that 9% out. There's nothing wrong with you taking the profitability. That's what we're supposed to do. We're supposed to make money. So take some money off the table right there around 9.4%, 70 cents. My second one is down here around 60. That gives us 22% movement to the downside. And then lastly, I would say around this overall long-term trend, which it gives around 33%. Okay. Now, from the monthly perspective, yes, we can see the price in Fantom come all the way down to this long-term trend. Okay, we can. But if the buyers happens to prop in around 70 cents, then guess what? Take the whole position off and be happy with that 9%, right? That's how we're going to get this money. That's how we're going to make the bread amongst our competition. I'm done. That's it. The market here in Fantom hasn't relinquished the weakness. It is still weak. The market downtrend is still in play. Looking at this from the monthly perspective gives us that indication that the sellers are controlling and that the buyers don't want to buy yet. It is what it is. But guess what? When the market becomes a buy, the market will tell us. And then that's when we'll switch over and be buyers too. All right. So that's it. I am done. As always, I got the comment section open because I want you all to drop a comment and tell me where do you all think price for Fantom is going to go. So go ahead and hit me up. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.